Hello and welcome to Me Rice. I'm Me Rice. Today we are going cook crab recipe. We bought the crab from Jaffna Fish Market. Required ingredients are onions, tomatoes, green chilies, curry leaves, oil, garlic and ginger, cumin seeds, turmeric, pepper powder, chili flakes, chili powder, salt. Add the oil. Add the ginger and garlic paste. Add curry leaves. Add tomatoes. Add green chili and don't cut them. Fry for a while. Do you know that we have uploaded several videos on Me Rice YouTube channel? Do watch if you're interested in. Like, comment and subscribe. Add onions. Add turmeric powder. Add chili powder. Add pepper powder. Add chili flakes. Add the crabs. Cook for 15 minutes. Add required amount of salt. After 15 minutes, add the mint leaves. Again, cook for 10 minutes. Thank you very much for watching our videos on Me Rice YouTube channel. Please do like, comment and subscribe if you are interested in our latest videos. We are about to finish cooking. Well, finished cooking the crabs and let's have it. Again, thank you for watching.